Opening credits: Emotional Intelligent Mastery and Cognitive Behavioral Therapy, CBT. 2 books in one. Learn techniques for retraining your brain, overcoming anxiety and depression, and why EQ matters more than IQ. Written by Kevin Rhodes, Danielle Evans, and Robert Coleman. Narrated by Jason Arnold and Betty Johnston.
Emotional Intelligence Mastery, EQ. The Guide to Mastering Emotions and Why It Can Matter More Than IQ. Written by Danielle Evans and Robert Goldman. Narrated by Jason Arnold. Introduction. Congratulations on downloading Emotional Intelligence Mastery, EQ. The Guide to Mastering Emotions and Why It Can Matter More Than IQ. As you read through this book, you are going to be shown the many values of EQ, how it can help change your life and ways that you can master it. Everything in this book is designed to show you how important EQ is and practical measures that you can take to begin raising your EQ and mastering it one day at a time. EQ is a powerful skill that everyone can benefit from. Knowing how to manage your emotions and express yourself in an effective way is an essential skill for everyone to have. When you know how to effectively express yourself, you can enjoy many powerful benefits. Healthier relationships, improved emotional health, and reduced stress are just some of the many benefits that you can look forward to when you work on increasing your EQ. In Emotional Intelligence Mastery, EQ, you will learn about what an emotion is, how it works, and how your body processes emotions. You are also going to discover the purpose of emotions, including what their goal is and how you can use them effectively. Then, you will explore how your emotions impact you from a strictly primal perspective. This will help you understand where emotions come from, why they are so overpowering, and what results in most people not knowing how to effectively control their emotions. In addition to learning about the primal aspects of emotions, you are also going to learn about important subjects such as the 5 characteristics of EQ, and how you can improve them in your own life. You will also discover practical applications for EQ, and how you can begin using these practical applications to improve your own. Through effective self-mastery and EQ mastery, you will begin to experience the many powerful benefits of EQ in your life. As you read through this book, we encourage you to take your time and practice reflection and mindfulness. Allowing yourself to fully understand and process how EQ will impact you and how you can begin improving on your own will ensure that you gain the maximum value from this book. The more you truly take time to embrace each of these practices and master each one, the easier it will be to master your EQ overall. We encourage you to purchase a journal that you can keep handy as you work towards mastering your EQ. Spending time reflecting on yourself and documenting your growth will show you just how far you have come. Furthermore, it will give you a clear understanding of where you can improve and how you can begin doing better each day. Remember, the process of self-mastery is one that takes time and patience. There is no need to rush it or pressure yourself to master your EQ any faster than you feel is reasonable. Each person has their own stressors, traumas, and challenges to work through. Giving yourself the space to work through each one as they come up will support you in complete healing so that you can do even better going forward. If you are ready to begin the journey of self-development through the process of EQ mastery, please begin reading. Remember, this is a personal journey for you to master your own emotions, so honor yourself no matter what comes up. And of course, enjoy. Chapter 1. What are emotions? Emotional intelligence, as defined by the Webster's Dictionary, is the capacity to be aware of, control, and express one's emotions, and to handle interpersonal relationships judiciously and empathetically. In order for you to understand what emotional intelligence, EQ, is, and how it impacts your life, you need to understand what emotions truly are. This can support you in having a clear comprehension of what EQ is meant to impact and what it is that you are trying to gain or control when you learn to develop your EQ. In this chapter, we are going to discuss the science behind emotions. You will learn what an emotion is, why we experience them, and how we can use them in our lives. Chances are you have probably never considered how complex emotions actually are. The reality is they are quite deep. They also impact us in many ways, especially when
Sample complete. Ready to continue?